In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse X and Y axis in AutoCAD, flip coordinates or UCS easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flip the directions of your X and Y axes without moving any of your geometry, which is great when you need to reorient your working coordinates quickly and cleanly. Start by opening your drawing so you're looking at the file where you want to adjust the coordinate system. Once it's open, click into the command line and type UCS, then press enter. The UCS, or User Coordinate System, is the tool that controls the orientation of your X, Y, and Z axes. Changing the UCS is non-destructive. It doesn't relocate or reshape your objects. It simply changes how AutoCAD interprets directions and coordinate readouts as you work. Next, if AutoCAD prompts you for an axis to work with, type Z and press enter. This tells AutoCAD you want to rotate around the Z axis, which is the axis perpendicular to your drawing plane. Rotating around Z is the right choice when you want to keep the drawing plane flat, but alter the direction that X and Y point. If you don't see that prompt, don't worry. Just proceed to the next input, as your version or context might skip directly to the option you need. Now type R for reverse and press enter. This triggers a flip of the X and Y directions of the current UCS. In practical terms, it inverts the positive directions of those axes while keeping the plane itself intact. You can confirm the change by glancing at the UCS icon in the lower left corner of your drawing area. You should notice the X and Y arrows now point opposite to how they did a moment ago. You'll also see the effect immediately in coordinate readouts. Positions that were previously positive along X or Y may now display as negative, reflecting the reversed orientation. A couple of useful notes as you work. This adjustment affects the coordinate system only. Your geometry, dimensions, hatches, and blocks remain exactly where they are. Depending on your current settings, your view may stay fixed or appear to rotate with the UCS. Either behavior is normal and simply reflects how your environment is configured. If you rely on grid, ortho, or object snaps, they'll align to the new axis directions automatically, which can make drawing or measuring relative to the reverse system more intuitive. That's it. Open your drawing, run UCS, choose Z if prompted, then use R to reverse. It's a fast, reliable way to flip X and Y in place and keep your workflow moving.